Hey, welcome. I'm Aya, and I will soon turn into this beautiful lady right here. This is one of my favorite artists, Nicki Minaj. I am going to transfer my look and my hair and my makeup and my outfit to look like Nicki Minaj. It's part of my little segment that I have going is my inspirational looks. I have a spooky little peach one, and then now I'm going to have the Nicki Minaj. I'm going to keep going with this. I love doing this, so I'm attempting to look like her. And let me know how it goes. What do you think? How did I do? And let's get started. First things first, I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna do the base. I know her makeup is pretty simple, so it shouldn't take too long, but I wanna try to copy this picture. Let's see how I do. Starting with the makeup. All right, so I'm just gonna use my camera for my, this might not turn out the best, but I'm gonna use my camera for my mirror. Oh, my eyelid. Don't judge me. So now that I have my eyebrows done, my hair is looking fabulous. Let me look at this. So her eyeliner is so simple. Looks like browns, just like browns in her black eyeliner and her eyelashes. Okay, so while this is drying under my eye a little bit, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette from ColourPop. It's the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I'll have the link below if you want to see the unboxing and me trying them on, but there's lots of browns, as you can see. And in this picture, she has brown for her eyeshadow. Okay, I'm gonna leave my eyes like this for now, and then once I get the eyeliner on, we'll be able to tell. I'm going to complete the other eye real quick, and then we'll continue with the eyeliner. Very simple, very sleek. I'm done with this eye. She doesn't have anything at the bottom of her eye, so I'm gonna leave this eye like that, put some mascara, some fake eyelashes, and the eyeshadow should be good. Let's do the other side. Good. And then what I did is I don't have any contouring stuff, honestly, sorry, but I put some brown blush, not brown blush, brown eyeshadow, and did the best I could to kind of contour like she has. And I think I did a decent job. Hopefully it looks good on camera. Obviously I put my eyelashes on already. Her lips are very simple too. I have some lip gloss for that. And I think now it's time to say makeup's done. Onto the wig. Now I'm gonna open the wig that I got from Amazon. I'll put a picture right here so you can see it. And let's put this on. I'm gonna do it the very lazy way because it's not a wig tutorial. So I'm just gonna put on the lazy way. We'll check it out, step back a bit, and then we'll get on to the outfit. All right, so here's the bag I got from Amazon. Let's open this wig. I've not seen it yet. I'm very excited. Ooh. I think it's gonna look good. So here's the package that it came in. I don't know how to pronounce that. Here's the brand. Pretty nice, made in China. LiQWYD. Alright, so here it is. Let's take her out. Has a cap. How to wear. It's like fishnet cap. Interesting. And a little tag along with the wig. Ooh. I might have to straighten it because in this picture of Nicki, her hair is straight. Yes, this one does have bangs, and in her picture she does not have the bangs, but I think it'll still look good, and you should get the point. So here's the wig. I'm gonna put this wig on. Actually, before I put the wig on, because I'm gonna put the dress and the wig on the same time, I want to show this clip of me unpackaging the dress really fast so you can see me opening it. It's from Chic Me. This is the dress I'm gonna wear for Nicki Minaj. So watch that real quick, and then I'm gonna put the wig on, the dress, and bam. And I'm gonna put the accessories on too. So I'll be all completed by the time I pop back in after you watch me opening the dress. Ready? Here's my bag from Chic Me. This is where I found the dress that I'm gonna wear. So open this. I got 2 of them. Okay, this is very pinky. This is more pink than I thought, but I think it's the right pink that I want. I think it is. So I bought a medium and a small. Might be fun coming out of this bag, I don't know. Oh, like plastic on plastic. Ooh. I'm kind of excited. Oh gosh, this is short. This is a shorty. It smells interesting. So kind of a, what's that called? Like a sports bra back type thing with a zipper. Cute. This is gonna be adorable. I think the small will fit me. Small should fit me, yeah. Let's continue with the Nicki Minaj inspirational look. I'm so excited to put this on. If I have to open my eyes really wide to look like Nicki. Crazy? I tried to straighten one side. I kind of liked it curly though, but I might have to straighten it to still look like the picture. Hours later, I was doing some TikToks. That Nicki Minaj TikToks real quick. So here's a wig. Put on the dress, the choker, earrings. Don't look at my real hair underneath there. Lip gloss. Very simple, very classy makeup. And I got my wig. I tried to straighten it as much as I could. I'll back up a little bit so you can see. Here's the finished look. What do you think? How did I do? Did I do a good job? Does it kind of look like Nicki? I feel like I have to like open my eyes because she has some bigger eyes than me, I feel like. Tell me how I did in the comment section below. I'm very curious. How did I do? Don't forget to check out my TikTok if you want to see my TikToks that I did for her. My TikTok is IMMNNC in case you want to see that. If you want to see a crazier transformation video that I did a spooky little peach episode 1 for my inspirational looks. I'll put the link above if you want to see that. That is definitely a difference. Also includes wig and makeup and all that stuff. Check that out. Stay sweet, take care. Thanks for watching.